Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. Today I am doing another super yummy cook with me. As you all know, it is summertime, which means it's time to get those grills out and start the barbecuing. Well, I guess technically I don't barbecue, but Mr. Chaos does. I just pick out the recipes and make sure he doesn't mess up. Anyways, I found a recipe to share with you guys today. I found it on the WW app. It is called grilled chicken with avocado and pineapple salsa. Guys, I am so excited about this one. My family loves avocado, pineapple, and cilantro, which are the main ingredients in this. And then of course the chicken. So, like I said, WW app. The points on this recipe, guys, are amazing. It is only 6 points on green and then 4 points on blue and purple. Super excited to try this recipe out. Real quick before we head to the kitchen, if you guys haven't already, if you give me a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. It helps let YouTube know that you guys enjoy my content and encourages them to promote my videos so we can continue to grow our YouTube family. Speaking of YouTube families, if you are not a member of mine and you enjoy chaos and cook with me's and weight loss content and unboxing, please hit that subscribe button down in the corner right about there. I would love the opportunity to get to know you better. As always, feel free to leave questions or comments down below. And guys, let's head to the kitchen. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with our chicken. Here I've got 4 extremely massive chicken breasts. It called for a pound, which was about 4 chicken breasts, but I don't think they were anticipating that they would be this big. So kinda, yeah, we'll see how it works out. You know how Jen is. Alright, and then in this bowl we've got 1/4 cup of lime juice. To that we're gonna add 1/4 cup of fresh pineapple juice. 3 tablespoons of fresh chopped up cilantro. That seems like a little bit more than 3 tablespoons, but my family loves cilantro, so I'm okay with that. We are going to add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Then we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. And then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we'll give this a good stir. Here's what that looks like. Then we're going to go ahead and add 5 tablespoons of our mixture to a big Ziploc bag. Set this back over here. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and the remaining ½ teaspoon of ground cumin to the bag. We'll mix this up just a little bit. Then we're going to add the chicken to this mixture. Please excuse my Christmas bag. My aunt stocks me up on Ziploc bags and containers every year after Christmas, so I celebrate Christmas with my Ziplocs all year long. We'll add the chicken to this and we're going to let it sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Squeeze out all the air. Then I'm just going to toss this around to make sure we have all of our chicken good and coated with our mixture. Alrighty, here we are. Into the fridge we go. Okay, so while that is refrigerating, we're going to go ahead and get our salsa mixed up. We're going to grab the remainder of our lime juice mixture. To that, we are going to add 1½ cups of diced pineapple, 1 avocado, roughly chopped, 2 tablespoons of red onion, and then we're going to gently toss this until it's all coated with our cilantro mixture. This smells awesome, you guys. Yum, yum, yum. Here's what we ended up with. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the fridge so it stays fresh, and I'll be back when it's time to cook the chicken. Guys, we have been marinating for about an hour. let's go ahead and get this to Steve so we can go ahead and get it cooking on the grill. Alright friends, here's our finished product. I have a half a cup of the pineapple avocado salsa and about 3 ounces of the grilled chicken. Again, guys, this is only 6 points on green and 4 points on blue and purple. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this cook with me today. As always, please give me that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Leave any comments or questions down below. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Catch you next time.